Okay, so this is what I'm gonna order. Ignore the state of my phone. I basically dropped my phone. And I'm waiting till I get back to fix it. Welcome to the mukbang. Hummus is so good. I'm having a little reading day. I'm reading this book. It's called The Golden Stories of Muslim Women, and this is the book that's basically going to keep me company on the flight back. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to reading this book. I'm trying to get back into reading, but the reading's not trying to get back into me because I've been trying to get back into reading for a minute now. So windy today, but because it's windy, the waves and the sea look so beautiful. I was actually going to go for a swim today. I would have died. Let me show you guys the waves. I was going to go to the beach for a swimming day, guys. I literally would have died. Let me show you guys the waves. Up a few bits and pieces and then I have to go home to pack. I'm excited to see my people. Okay, breakdown. Lemon juice made with fresh lemons. I like it. Overall, they just taste like chicken tenders and chips. You know what I mean? It's like a nice snack. I can see how it's a comfort food for many, but I don't know if it's like my age coming through now. Yeah, now that I'm a growing woman. But I just feel like it's, you know, chicken tenders and sauce that I can make at home. You know what I mean? I'm just getting an ice lolly from House of Pops, and I nearly left without paying. Can I pay by card?
Yeah.
Oh no, wait, wrong card.
Okay.
Sorry. I'm a thief.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's a galactic lime.
Lime and mint.
Lime and mint, and they're so good, and they don't even have any sugar. Evening stroll. This ice lolly is so good. I need to go home because it's getting late. It's like 10 o'clock. This has to be the largest TV I've ever seen in my life. Are you guys seeing the vibe that I'm trying to create with the aesthetic? She's an aesthetic babe. Okay. The waves are so strong, you can hear them. Like, look. Okay, home time. It's my second to last night here. And yeah, I'm just like going out, like I'm at this cafe that I've been to before, and it's super ambient, like the sun is just setting. You guys are keeping me company. Yeah, it's really lovely. I know this sounds so crazy to say, but recently it's actually been getting a little bit chilly, and like right now it's like a little bit chilly. It's kind of reminding me of like when I was in Hargeisa. Oh my god, I miss the motherland. Like I would actually go back, but it reminds me of like when it was getting chilly. I'm going to be watching this vlog back like, haha, sucks for you, Rahma, now you're actually in the real cold. Alright guys, that has been my little cute little outing outside, and now I'm going to I don't know, I think I wanted like a sweet treat. You know me, like I love my sweet treats. Yeah, I love my little sweet treat, and I could do like a malted like chocolate cake. His name's called Chichi Papa?
Yes, Chichi Papa.
Okay.
Nice
Oh,
one.
it smells like Vicks.
Yeah, it's natural from mountain.
I'm smelling this Chichi Papa.
Yes, this one.
Oh,
It's natural.
natural from the mountains.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Don't you hate this? I literally have coke. And I even said I work with cancer patients, and I have not seen one cancer patient in my hospital. But get it though. It'll just get in at this point. Yeah. Yay! I'm gonna have to click. I just want.
Yeah, فقط خلاص نص جول.
You need water? Many options.
You're sitting in DJ.
Huh?
Are you not studying? You should start the word.
Inshallah.
You're saying just say inshallah, inshallah, when you're not starting. You should start.
I should start, isn't it? Who's gonna buy for my business? We're starting a pashmina business. Starting at how much price? 1 million dirhams for one pashmina.
You should sell it. She like too much money, guys. She like too much money. She want to sell each pashmina for 1 million.
What is here?
6130.
We're making kilio today, which is very much an acquired taste. It's so delicious. So first of all, we had to add the garlic, ginger, onions, and some of the peppers with cumin, turmeric, pepper, salt, coriander, and tomato. Then you add the meat. Oh, I'm going quite fast, aren't I? And then I added a little bit of pepper afterwards because I like some to be crunchy and some to be soft. I served it with some tabbouleh and olives and banana. It's giving very much culture clash, but she worked. It was so delicious, and I had it with anugel. If you know, you know. I'm at the ladies' beach and there's like nobody here, which is why we're having like a little conversation. I'm gonna get that clip. I'm throwing that light that clips onto my phone, so my lighting is better when I'm using my phone. But yeah, ladies club is where it's at. Like they don't even know the ladies club is where it's at. Like honestly, the fact that I'm literally going back to London in a couple of days, to the ghetto, to the Rafat, I'm just soaking up the soft life while it's still here, because really life comes at you fast. Do you know what I mean? Like alhamdulillah for this experience. It's been nice, it's been lovely. The sun was shining today. I'm starving. There's a restaurant in here. I went to the cafe, went to the restaurant. Oh, it's closed now?
We have 3 types of carcasses. We have the small size. We have
So guys, Melbourne حنا انقطعنا مشوا مال إطلاق يوحن عنينا dumplings, your noodles. Hey vlog, so we're in the city, we're back in London, we're in a cute place in Kensington right now, and yeah, we're just having a little chit chat, little catch up. Got carried away with the time. It's been a little bit chilly the past couple of days, but alhamdulillah, like today's not too bad. Let me do a little wrap around. That. Look at the intersection on that.
It's really light and fluffy.
Yeah.
Sorry?
So that's going to really calm the skin down immediately. We have an amazing surfactant in this called the basu oil, which is a non-comedogenic oil. Get your day off your face as opposed to trying to like just overstrip, you know. Put your chin in it. Yeah. Really, nothing much has changed. You lose a little bit of elasticity in your mouth area.
Yeah.
You don't really pick up any discoloration here. 38, you're seeing a little bit of discoloration, brown and red spots. Skin is still looking very plump though. 48, you always kind of age here first. Even now, I'm losing that.
Was it good?
It's like a mix between.
To help you maximize. I'm talking by the way.
We have it.